Seems like a few people have had this issue, so I might as well make a longer video about it. So this is my Levoit humidifier, and the humidity was stuck at 91% or 92% or something. It was super high. I think it got to that point because I have it in a grow tent, so it's a super small space. So it probably did hit 92%, but then it shut off automatically, as I'm sure the people watching this know. And yeah, it just stayed at 92. So I took the top part off, dried it. I watched all the other videos and I tried all that stuff, like cleaning it. That didn't really work. So I figured, if I'm going to buy another one, I might as well take it apart and see if that'll work. So you have those feet at the bottom, and underneath those are 4 screws. So you take those 4 screws off. Also, if you do this, no guarantees. Even if it doesn't work, I don't know if you can return it after this. So proceed with caution. So I took those off. I got into here, and I already did it, but this whole inside was wet. There were beads of water all in there, beads of water all in here. And what this piece is right here, I'm pretty sure this is the humidity detector, because you can see it says HUM right there. And this is also, this little piece lines up right next to that little opening right there. So that's where the humidity is getting detected. So I popped this open, and I didn't just blot the whole thing with a paper towel, because if like one of these little paper towel fibers gets stuck in there, then I'm sure that's bad news. Same thing with that one. I didn't do with that. All on the plastic around here, I used a paper towel, just blotted it. And then if you got a hair dryer, I stole my mom's for this one. I was just blowing on the circuit boards and everything, getting that dry. And yeah, if this gets uploaded, then I'll clip together another piece of it working. If not, then the humidity sensor just went kaput, and that looks pretty easy to replace. It's just a screw and a clip. So yeah, wish me luck on this one, and yeah, hopefully this helps out whoever's humidifier is also. Would you look at that? I turned it on. Humidity is looking better. Peep the grow tent. Those are going to be some oyster mushrooms coming very soon. And yeah, hope this video helps out. I guess anything when you're putting it back together, just be careful not to strip the screws, because that'll be a whole nother hassle. Yeah, I'm gonna get this thing up and running again. All right, well, it's a couple hours later, and yeah, it's still working good. I have the target set to 75, hit 79, and yeah, so it looks like that was a good fix. Even if you don't have this exact model, I'm sure you can apply the same thing to the other ones. Because if it's a problem with this Levoit, then I wouldn't be surprised if the same thing can happen with the other ones. So yeah, give it a try. Just take the feet off the bottom, take the screws out, blot it with a paper towel, and yeah, go at it with a hairdryer. And hopefully that'll fix your problem.